Welcome to Hualien! Today is a very special episode because we are going to one of the most beautiful places in Hualien. 今天我们要去找我们的原住民的朋友，那他很有趣，他什么都会，做菜。He's a super nice friend, he's a good singer, and he's just a very special person. So we are going to visit him, have fun, and I'm so excited for that. By the way, look at that awesome Qingshui cliff!
This is a story about people. People who make Taiwan. That are extremely welcoming, friendly, and caring. People who made me fall in love with this beautiful country and feel like home here.
So we are on our way to meet Long Long, our friend. Last time we've seen him, it was like a month ago. It was a long time ago,
Yeah,
so we are pretty excited. And he just texted us, he's preparing the fire for the barbecue. So we're gonna have a nice celebration of our
Barbecue
visitation.
dinner!
Yeah. And we are coming close. We are coming close. We're almost here. He lives pretty far, like in a very hidden place. Look at this house! Look at that! Hey! Long time no see! Hi! Hey! Woo!
No have room.
Okay, the most important thing is show me that.
The
The beer, of course.
你好，
Hi.
我叫拍水。你的 steak 来了啦！
耶！
我们那时候去那个，我们因为沿路不是下雨有没有？然后礼物送给你们。
哦
做的衣服，你们做的衣服，哇！
对 ，Let me show you. Open your, open your. 噔噔噔噔。
我妈全部穿一样啊！谢谢。
谢谢。耶！耶！Cheers! I just want to say it again. It's so good with the lemonade, with the fresh made lemonade with the beer.
Despite all the differences and language barrier, we could easily connect with our souls.
I'm so miss your miss.
Long Long's cooking is like a magic. He adds totally normal ingredients like salt, pepper, but everything turns out to be super delicious.
Nice. It smells too good. All fresh.
I was so touched when Long Long noticed that I didn't eat meat. He prepared salmon especially for me. We've been chatting and laughing the whole evening. Made me feel like we've been knowing each other for years.
Into the end now. Into the end now. Into the end now. Wow.
在爱国我们喝的时候，我们不会喝随便，因为我们会喝如果有特别的日期。我觉得今天是一个特别的，对啊，特别的日期，我们都在，我们都很开心。For friendship. For friendship. Okay, za дружбу.
За дружбу!
In the morning, Long Long couldn't wait to feed us with his special breakfast. Despite working the whole day yesterday and staying up late, he woke up at 2:30 a.m. to do some housework and prepare delicious food for us. And you know what? He has the best coffee in Taiwan, with love and dedication in every cup. He doesn't call it a normal coffee. He calls it feel presser, because it's all about the feeling.
You know where those bananas came from the tree outside? This is super delicious, the sweetest I've tried. So good. Look at this very cozy, nice house. Good morning.
The sweetest home.
There is a small mini bar, surfboard for river surfing. Look, it's been waiting.
It's waiting to be touched.
Look at this teddy bear. I want this dog. Is it okay if I take you home? You're also lovely. You're also cool. Totally not aggressive and so lovely. It's like if you need some kind of happiness in the morning, you just come to the dog. Right? So Long Long is making his special bread. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. Even though it's not baked yet, it looks super delicious.
How do you make people feel like home? For Long Long, it's cooking.
我觉得他做菜是比较，就是如果是别人很友善的话，他会很有动力去做这件事情。因为他会觉得说跟大家分享食物是一件很开心的事情。
哦，对。
那其实你想一想，你的朋友已经从这么远的地方来看你，其实我觉得如果这个家可以留住一些，让你的朋友可以留住一些很特别的温度的话，其实我是觉得是蛮不错的。我是也蛮喜欢旅行，只是我是觉得说，如果你去旅行当中可以吃到主人自己做的料理，哇，我觉得这真的很幸福啊。那如果主人比你还热情的话，我们就要敞开自己啊，然后
更热情
去认识这个家。但是其实旅行其实不需要失望啊，因为每一个人旅行方式不太一样，只是说你用什么方式去看这个世界。因为旅行还是要有生活的部分啊，把自己心敞开起来，友善一点。其实你接受的东西会更多。如果你很难得接待一个人的话，你要怎么去接待他，而不是去招待他？那对我们来讲，我们叫接待，就是我们是完成你的旅行，或是完成你这一次来这个地方的目的。像我都是希望说，你难得来造访这个地方，请你不要把都市的那个味道带进来，就是不要把你都市生活的那个味道带进来，去接纳你没有尝试过、没有看过的事物。
And it's a great message for you and me. A lot of times we focus so much on our own culture that we miss a chance to experience so many wonderful things that can enrich our lives.
I really miss those kind of places, kind of countryside houses, because once I live in Taipei, everywhere is just city jungle, no nature, not so much grass unless you go to the park, but it's still a different feeling. But here, look, walk on the grass, play some soccer, make a bonfire, I don't know, just sit outside, have some breakfast, and just enjoy the sun. And look, there's a banana tree, a small bar, dogs. That's very kind of comfortable, home feeling. So Ray is preparing the fire for our pizza, and we're gonna bake it in this super cool oven.
要把披萨放里面。
Oh, look at that. But it's so nice to eat here, not just because it's freshly made in the nature, but also because you can sit all together with friends and just the atmosphere is so nice.
Wow!
So we are going to put the chicken inside the oven. Look how juicy that is, so much juice. So the bread is in, and there is some charcoal, so it will be very, very smoky, delicious. Nice.
Next time, drink beer.
Yeah. And while our lunch is cooking, we are going to check out the river nearby. It's very clean, and I hope there is enough water so we can jump. So let's see how it goes. I like how chill it is here. Hello! Hey. Yeah! Cheers! Look at that, the government is trying to clean the river from big rocks while the season is low. So now there's not so much water in the river, but we're still trying to find a place where to swim. Look at this nice clean river. We are going up the stream, and there should be 2 pools where we can swim. No joke, in summer this river is flooded. It's like so full. I think even that side is like full of water.
Yeah, that's why they're doing construction right now, because they are preparing for the summer, which is the rainy season here.
So the river is going to be full, and you can do cliff jumping, even snorkeling for some fish.
That's the weirdest position ever again. Like, you know what? Like, Lena always creates the best position to jump into the water.
Look how deep that is. The pizza is almost done. We are having a feast. 好吃吗？
真的很好吃哎。These are all the friends of Long Long's, and we're having like a dinner lunch party. Sorry.
Every day there are a lot of new people coming to visit Long Long, and despite the fact that we didn't even know each other, we felt like one big family.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, this is like handmade pizza.
That's delicious to the maximum.
Whoa!
Oh my god, look at that.
红仔鸡
1 week of marinating. Almost an hour of steaming. Look how gorgeous it looks.
Where does your happiness come from? From having a big house and a high-paid job? For Long Long, it's simple. It comes from gathering his friends together and seeing them happy. He lives a simple life in the countryside, in the house that he built by himself, and he enjoys every single moment of his life. It's always hard to say goodbye to your family, and the same it was for me. Thank you, Long Long, for those wonderful memories.
Welcome to one of the most beautiful seashores in Taiwan.
So how do you enjoy this time with visit Long Long?
I think it was such a nice, heartwarming atmosphere every day. I loved it so much. Gave me the feeling of home. By the way, guys, we got some t-shirts.
Yeah!
Awesome Taiwan. It's very comfortable and it's quite, you know, stylish to wear anytime you travel. So if you want to support us making more videos, if you want to support us traveling around Taiwan and telling more stories about people, please help us and buy the t-shirt.
Support us,
Yeah,
please.
the link is below the video. Go through and please check it out. We have different colors and designs. So thank you so much. I hope to see you somewhere in Taiwan. Please like the video.
Subscribe!
Yay! Hope guys you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace!